Thousands of people in the northwest city of Peshawar came together on Sunday to call for restoring peace and stability in their country. Around 5,000 pigeons as well as hundreds of balloons were released as a symbol of freedom in the rally organized by Jamaat Islami. According to the organizers, Pakistan is already plagued by corruption and instability, mostly because of foreign intervention in Pakistan's internal affairs. Though the main point of the rally is the necessity of restoring peace and stability in Pakistan, its general mood is highly anti-American because many here in Pakistan say they see the US as the main reason behind the instability of their country. Blaming the government for being what they call a puppet of America, the demonstrators call for an immediate action to put an end to suffering imposed on the inhabitants of tribal belts during the military operations believed to have been launched solely on US demand. And the US drone attacks, which have killed more than 1,100 people in Pakistan tribal territories.
Present government, when it came into being, they agitated against the drone attacks, but now that agitation has come to stand still. There is no agitation for government side, and America itself is declaring that all the drone attacks are made with the connivance of the Pakistan government.
Addressing the rally, leaders of Jamaat Islami call for revolution to free the country from being what they call a hostage to America. It's a while that anti-US sentiment has been on the rise in Pakistan. Most analysts refer to US policies under the so-called war on terror as the main reason behind the trend.
The government is following the American lines and American dictation, and they are not following the policies in which the common interest of the common man, this is followed. They are following the American interest.
Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.